Hey, what's up, buddy? Now, I'm going to tell about how to use aluminium and amazing way to make tools by using aluminium. Wow, here is just looking at that. Oh my god. Oh, just pouring the aluminium and then such amazing tools. Yeah, nice idea. Amazing, isn't it? Wow. Oh yeah. Now pour it them. Then it will be dry and make an amazing tool. Wow. What an idea. It's basically pouring in the sand. You can also say that a sand art made by a aluminium. Oh wow. Oh yeah. This is a sword. Wow. Wow. This sword is so big. Wow, amazing. Such a tricky mind, people. Wow, what is doing now? Oh my god. This is a brush. Wow, like a brush. It can be cleaned. Now, yes. Okay. Hammer. Wow, hammer. Okay. Wow, what an interesting idea. Amazing. That's why people are now gun. Oh my god. Yeah, it's shaped like a gun. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh wow. What is this type of weapon? Oh wow. Yeah. Oh god. Now sand. This is a comb, okay. And then, oh my god. What an idea. What is it? Wow. Oh my god. Oh wow. It's a knife and knife. Okay. Oh my god. Oh. Can't believable. Unbelievable. Oh god. Oh man. What an interesting idea. Okay. Oh god. Wow, such an amazing people around the world. Wow, what is this? Oh my god, look at knife. Okay, hammer. Okay, now this is what type of machine? Okay, now this much for today. Thanks for watching this video.